Okay, so now as we move on, I'd like to welcome Miss Lydia. Thank you so much, Mrs. for your presence. Your presence really means a lot for us, and in the near future, we'd like to seek more of your support and more of your kindness. Thank you so much for being here. So, as you all know, Mrs. Lydia Yulung is originally from Manipur and is currently serving as an assistant manager, service manager at the SBI Seolim branch. She moved to Goa in 2021 after previously working in Pune. She is married to Mr. Maximus Colme, who serves as a sub-registrar in the Department of Cooperation Manipur. We're delighted that Mr. Colme is also here in Goa, and we're honored to have them both with us. Okay, so I missed something. Miss, your husband is also there, so sorry for that. I forgot to go through the information, sorry for that. So as part of the tournament, she will kick off the match with a penalty kick. But before we move on, we welcome the president of the Tangkhul Welfare Union Goa for a short speech. Now I give the time to our president.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much to the program committee for giving me this opportunity. I won't take much time, just a brief welcoming to each and every one of you. I welcome each and every one of you in this Northeast Samyang Football League tournament that was played since Feb till now, and today is gonna be the last day. So I would like to congratulate to all the teams who have played in this game. Even though you may not go through with the final, but your game spirit that you have shown, that means a lot to us. And I wish all the players who are here, who are gonna play the final match, I wish you all the best, play well, and there will be just a one winner, but still then, do your best, and I wish you all the very best for the match. And secondly, I give thanks to all the event partners who give support each and every hour. I give thanks to you. Because of your support, we are able to organize this kind of match in a fruitful way. And not forgetting, I thank each and every person, and I welcome each and every one of you. Because of your presence, we are able to host in a fruitful way. If you are not here, even though if you are hosting also without a crowd, without an audience, the program might not be fruitful. Because of your presence, we are organizing this match in a wonderful way. And not forgetting, I thank the program committee for hosting and taking up all the troubles and hosting this kind of tournament. From Tangkhul Welfare Union Goa, I give thanks to each and every one of you for doing the hard work and make this tournament a successful one. And I give thanks to our chief guest. Thank you so much for your availability and for your support. Please to support us all the time, and I give thanks to you. Thank you so much. Now I give time to our moderator.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. For those who came just now, I've said as before, he is Mr. Shang Muso, President of the Tangkhul Welfare Union Goa. Thank you so much for your encouraging words. Even though it is just a couple of minutes, I hope your message is a fruitful one to each and every one of us. Thank you so much. Now, as a sign of appreciation and love to our chief guest and her husband present here, we have something, not a special one, but as a sign of love and appreciation, we have a small token. So I request Mr. President to hand over the token. for a short message. The time is yours.
Good evening, everyone. Before we begin, let's give a big round of applause to both the teams. Congratulations, boys, and for reaching to this stage. And what I would like to say today is we are so proud of you. Though we are far away from home, but still we try to bring food to the table without depending on our parents, and also focusing on our health by practicing and participating in such tournaments. And we are truly privileged to be invited like this, that also on the final day of the first ever edition. And we pray that in the coming future, more successful editions, more successful editions are conducted in the future. And okay, today not only let's not think about losing or winning, but let's more focus on the experience, on the journey, and on the memories we create on this ground today. And what else? Okay, all the best to both the teams, and let's begin then.
Thank you so much.
Yes.